Itkuria rero nigo riengeri itkurio gochengera abatakanwa ensengema na nigo omuyigoyo okorekana gukorawo no mukonyi bumurai bwense ya Kenya ase county ya Nyamira buna omo nyene bwense meyu osomo nyene orogongo mujumbe West Mugirango Moskesti Mugaka arigania abagani asense meyu no mosekito Fadgad Isemba agotumanya
Ekero ritkuria rero riri eryo gochengera abasubati abatakanwa abo abakaka babo bakwete ensengima nigo omuyego monene ugochengera ritukeriga okorekana imenye county ya Nyamira ase skuru yoboroso ya Bugo yogotoka ewodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirango ase ponsi kobwamo abo baikirana babekire okuburia gochiase serikali gochia koroisia ekiombe ekenene ekyo yego chia kurigereria amanganonzi ya batakanwa.
Maisha ya ujane sio rahisi kwa mama ule ambaye amefiwa pamoja na watoto wale ambao wanabaki kama mayatima. Wakati mwingine tunaishi katika maisha ya ubweke, wakati mwingine tunaishi maisha ya trauma, wakati mwingine tunarudi tunakuwa depressed, tunafika tunaogopwa ya kuwa sisi jamani tutachukua mabwana ya wale wenye wako. Mwelekeo unabadilika. Society, community ile ambayo tulikuwa tuko pamoja wakati tukiwa katika ndoa inatugeuka. Tunaanza na mambo ya kuitwa ya kuwa sisi tumeua waume wetu.
Kubatikana na yaiga nigo umurugi bumurai bwense omuskere choruto abasegeta abatakanwa kira oyomo gosoa ase byombe eryo banyore obosemia enchira enyororo buna bakomenya.
Na jambo la muhimu kina mama ni kwamba serikali ya leo haiwezi kukupata wewe mama ukiwa nyumbani peke yako. Mnanisikia kina mama? Najua mtu mmoja, sisi wa Kenya ni karibu milioni 50 na serikali haiwezi kukupata wewe. Ni vizuri kina mama tuweze kuingia katika vikundi. Hiyo vikundi iweze kuwahudumia. Serikali iko na mambo mengi sana ambaye inaweza kusaidia kina mama. Umesikia mambo ya Hustler Fund.
Abasacha ensemo yabo nigo baburiwa barigererie boya ebimira nechimbwa chegekoro echo chagendereire kuunereria obosibore bwabatakanwa amo nabana chintakana.
Wazo langu nitaelekeza kwa waume wa hii country. You are the custodians of culture in this country, and I would want to ask you kindly, why don't you review customs that hurt the women? And when you think of a woman, think of your daughter. When you think of a woman, think of your mother. Don't think of her as another person, because then you wouldn't have her at heart as much as you should be. Customs ziko detrimental, tafadhali zikuwe reviewed na zitoke katika majamii zetu.
Ensemo yaye umubunge o West Mugirango Muske Stephen Mugaka naria eira yogocha kurika omwegereri oyo emiremo yaye emenene arache kurigereria okubagwa kwenibo gose succession eyo yabeire omuchando monene anene ase omutakanwa.
Katika ofisi yangu ya CDF kuanzia tarehe 1 mwezi wa 8 nitaajiri kupitia kwa mshahara yangu wakili atakaa katika hiyo ofisi kushughulikia maneno ya wajane wafanyiwe succession na hiyo kuzi yote tunapata ituondoke. Ikikuwa complicated nitaomba ruhusa bunge tukuje tukabiliane so that we protect the widow's rights, we protect the orphan's rights, and we give dignity to our women who are undergoing the agony of loss of their spouses.
Chingaki echecho nigo abarai abo boigo baikirana baria eira yogocha boikia ebirero bya batakanwa baiga ase ebunge enene.
This is a special group which has grown in big numbers in our country, and from what they have explained, we have gaps. There are several gaps on how we should mentor and help our widows in our nation. As members of parliament, we will take it up from where we have seen the gaps. Thank you for your explanations.
Because I am very passionate in legislation, I will ensure that we seek for a statement for us to be able to get the correct data of the number of widows we have in this whole country. Because the only way tunaweza hakikisha ya kwamba bajeti imewekwa katika mambo ya widows ni kwanza kabisa tukuwe na the right numbers. That is the only way we can make the good contribution.
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurwase skuru eyiga y'uboroso ya Bugo egotoka Nyamaiya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Jeff Atigat Kisemba.